Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the shadow in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now you have to select one of your projects that you would like to edit, or you can start a new one if you click on that plus icon. And now you have to select from your gallery that video that you would like to edit. I'm going to show you in this one. And now on the bottom of the screen you should see the first option is edit. Click on it and now scroll to the right until you see the adjust option. Click on it and now scroll to the right as well while you see the shadow option. Click on it. And now moving that bar, you can decrease or increase the shadow setting for your video. And when you are done, just click on the check mark option on the bottom of the screen, or you can reset your setting if you change your mind and you do not want to use this setting. And there is the apply to all option, which means that that setting that you set up will be applied to all of your clips. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.